How much should you actually spend on a rice cooker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. First up is the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. Priced at just $36.99, this compact little unit caught my attention with its impressive functionality for the price. If you want an affordable way to whip up perfect rice every time, this is worth a serious look. Plus, you can prepare up to 8 cups of cooked rice, which is perfect for family meals. It also has sensor logic technology, which automatically adjusts the cooking temperature for optimal texture. With over 64,500 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many users rave about how fluffy their rice turns out, and that really matters when you're looking for consistent results. Now, some people complained about the size not being enough for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 2 to 4 people, this isn't a deal breaker. It's compact, easy to store, and perfect for quick meals. This is perfect for you if you're a small family or someone who cooks rice occasionally. Skip this one if you regularly host big gatherings. For $36.99, you really can't beat the value here. Now, if the aroma's capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Zojirushi NSTSC10 Rice Cooker. Next, we have the Zojirushi NSTSC10 Micom Rice Cooker, priced at $229.99. This one's a bit of a splurge, but the build quality and features definitely caught my eye. If you want a premium rice cooker that cooks perfectly every time, this is worth a serious look. It has an automatic keep warm function along with a reheating cycle, which means you can serve hot rice hours later without worry. With 13,700 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive, particularly for its versatility. It even doubles as a steamer. The easy-to-clean stainless steel exterior is just the cherry on top. Now, some users mentioned that it's pricey compared to simpler models. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who values quality and convenience, the investment pays off in perfectly cooked rice every single time. This is perfect for you if you love rice and want the best in your kitchen. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly. With its features, it's definitely worth the splurge if you can afford it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for busy lifestyles. Product number 3, Comfee Rice Cooker. Let's talk about the Comfee Rice Cooker, which is an upgraded 6-in-1 multi-cooker at just $42.99. I honestly loved its compact design and flexibility. If you want something that does it all, this is worth a serious look. This rice cooker has 6 cooking programs, including options for oatmeal and quinoa, which makes it super versatile. The automatic keep warm feature means your rice stays hot without overcooking it, and it's incredibly user-friendly with its digital panel. With 7,100 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many users appreciate its ease of cleaning because it's dishwasher safe. Now, some people complained about its cooking time being longer than expected, but honestly, the quality of rice it produces is worth the wait. If you're looking for perfection, that extra time isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional cooker that doesn't take up too much space. Skip this one if you just need a basic rice cooker. At $42.99, it's a steal for what you get. Now, if Comfee's longer cooking time concerns you, let's check out the next option that might cater to your needs. Product number 4, Cuckoo Micom Rice Cooker. Next on the list is the Cuckoo Micom Rice Cooker, priced at $119.99. I was genuinely surprised by how user-friendly this model is. If you want an easy cooking experience with flavorful rice, this is worth a serious look. With its 6-cup uncooked capacity, it's ideal for small to medium-sized families. The 9 multifunctional options allow you to prepare different types of rice and even porridge. What I love is the My Mode function, which customizes cooking settings for your desired texture and flavor. It boasts a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 4,000 reviews, highlighting its smart cooking features. Now, some users noted that it can take a bit longer to cook than expected. Here's the thing, if you prioritize taste and texture over speed, you'll appreciate the results you get. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile cooker that can handle more than just rice. Skip this one if you need something that cooks quickly. For $119.99, it's a solid investment for anyone who loves rice. Alright, let's finish strong with a top-tier option that promises the best rice cooking experience. Product number 5, Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 Rice Cooker. Lastly, we have the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker, priced at $279.99. I'll be real with you, this one is a bit of an investment, but the quality is hard to beat. If you want rice that's as close to restaurant quality as you can get at home, this is worth a serious look. The spherical inner pan ensures even heating so you don't get any burnt bits. It includes various cooking settings from white rice to porridge, and the automatic keep warm feature means you can serve it later without any fuss. With over 12,200 reviews and a stellar 4.7-star rating, this cooker has a loyal following. Now, some might say the price is a bit steep, but honestly, if you're serious about having top-notch rice, this is the best option on the market. This is perfect for you if you want the very best rice cooker that delivers consistently delicious results. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. If you're willing to invest, you won't be disappointed here. So in a nutshell, if you want something budget-friendly, the Aroma is your best bet. For a premium experience, Zojirushi is hard to beat. Comfee offers great versatility, while Cuckoo gives you user-friendly options. Finally, Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 promises top-tier quality. Each one has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your cooking style best.